Well, hello beautiful friends, it's Lynette here and we're getting ready to decorate my fence for fall. You guys, I'm so behind this year on fall decor, but we have the Circleville Pumpkin Show coming up and everybody goes a little crazy on their decor here in Circleville. And I want to show you how easy it is if you guys have a fence or a little area that you want to decorate. We're going to show you some really cost-saving designs and easy designs, so stick with us. All right guys, so what I did first was I know it sounds weird, but I put my Christmas lights and my Christmas garland up now so that when Christmas and cold get here, I don't have to do it then. So easy breezy, Hobby Lobby, 40% off. And Nikki gave me these last year, and then I had to go and buy a few extra ones, but I think I have enough for every panel of my fence except for one. And it's just so easy. A little hook here and a little hook here. And just sort of intertwine it in with your greenery for Christmas. Okay, I'm gonna go do the rest of the fence and I'll show you how it looks when we get back. You guys, so simple and so easy, and look how beautiful. I love how the lights come in and shining down like right here. I think that's so pretty. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is put some little flower baskets that I bought last year. I think, or no, I'm sorry, 2 years ago. I think I got them at Big Lots for like 80 or 90% off. I think they were like $5. All right, look how cute these are, you guys. Big Lots for sure for the win on these. And once the spring passed last spring, I took these out. You can still see the dirt sort of in there. And I put real flowers in them. So it's a twofer. And then what we're going to do is I sort of bent this back a little. And I'm going to set it right around here. Now I think all I need is a bow. All right, so a bunch of orange tablecloths, plastic from Amazon. I think I got 12 for like $9. We're gonna make bows out of them. Okay, so it'll be waterproof, inexpensive. And I decided I'm gonna do a basket on this pole and then a bow on this pole. This is the easiest thing to do, to have a little dramatic decor. So what you do is you just pull it out and you want to find your ends, okay? So this is going to be my end here. It's right here. And I think I'm going to leave it folded in two. And then I'm just going to gather in the middle. I'm going to kind of mess with it a little. I'm going to go right around my pole, okay? And then I'm just going to make a bow. Well, that was super easy. You guys can do it too. Go find some tablecloths and whatever stuff you have around the house. I even thought maybe hanging like pine cones from here would look cute. But just be creative and go find your passion today. Thank you guys. Hit that subscribe button.